So we are going to start off by showing you all the color that in this palette, you guys, and you can see how they are the pan. It has a lot of eyeshadow, you have a lot of matte shade, you have a lot of pigment and so on. So today we are going to start off by going into this eyeshadow palette here, and I am going to go into this dark brown. This is the first color that I am going to go in, so keep watching, my friend. So guys, I am finished with my eye look. And you know the good thing about eyeshadow, some of them, you bought, when you buy an eyeshadow, make sure you bought an eyeshadow that multitask. So you can use the eyeshadow as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a blush, you can use it as a highlight, you can also apply it to your lip if possible, and just make sure that you put a lip gloss over it. So this is my 35 Sweet Oasis from Murphy. You guys, this is the eyeshadow palette. My daughter bought me this eyeshadow palette some time ago. I think she gave me for my birthday. And you know, sometimes you go through product in your home, and then when you go through, you end up finding. So I end up decided I would use this eyeshadow palette today on my eyes, and also apply a little bit of the darker shade to my lip, and then apply my lipstick over it, so as a lip liner. So this is what it is, you guys, and this is the palette here, Sweet Oasis from Murphy. I just want to say thank you again so much for watching, and as I said, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell. When I do upload a video, you can be notified. And remember, you guys, I have two channels, Ruby Beauty Lifestyle and also J Spark Makeup. So this one is J Spark Makeup. If you go and type in Ruby Beauty Lifestyle, you will see my other channel there. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.